Hi guys, Kat here. Today I'm gonna air fry some chicken. What I have here is some chicken thighs that have been chopped up to bite sizes. Okay, you can either use any part of the chicken you like, chicken breast, dark meat, light meat, whatever, that's up to you. Skin off, skin on, that's up to you as well. Okay, so chopped up chicken, and this here is some chopped up garlic, ginger, and basil, lemon basil, okay? Just a simple marination with herbs, fresh herbs. And I'm gonna add chicken bouillon for the seasoning. 1 tablespoon. MSG optional. As well, 1 tablespoon. Black pepper. And a little bit of olive oil, okay? Just to get it, when it fries, it kind of crisps up a little bit with the oil, okay? And then just mix, thoroughly mix. All right, and then we're just gonna air fry this in my air fryer. Okay, this is ready to be air fried. I did spray the bottom of my pan so that it would not stick. So I sprayed it with some Pam cooking spray. Okay, and in it goes. Gonna do it for maybe 25 minutes just to start out with. All right, so we'll check back. Take a look. I'm gonna flip them now. Looks good though, huh? So far. Okay, now flip it. All right, all flipped. Put it back in. Okay, guys, it's done. This will go very nicely with some steamed rice. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.